minutes. Now, after doing all this multiplication, you will get 343 degree plus 38 whole 2 by 11, and this is the minutes. It means this is 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 into 60, and this is second. And once you will do the calculation, you will get 343 degree 38 minutes, and then when 38 minutes will come, and this will come 11 seconds, and this will be the approximately. Reason, on dividing you will get this is 10.9 like that. So directly we will write down this thing 11 seconds. Now in question number 3rd, we have a circle in which the diameter is given. What is the diameter? 40, and now the length of the chord is 20. So if this is the diameter, we are considering this is the chord CD whose length is 20. Now we have to find the length of the minor arc. This is the minor arc. From the center, join this thing. Now this is O, because AB is the diameter, which is 40 centimeter, and this is the diameter. So we have OC is equals to OD is equals to also 20 centimeter. Reason, because this will be the radius of the circle. Therefore this triangle OCD is an equilateral triangle. And now once this is an equilateral triangle, therefore each angle of this is, it means angle COD is equals to 60 degree, because this is a circular system. So convert into radian, it will provide you 5 pi by 3. Now angle is given, radius is given. Let us suppose this arc length is L. Now theta is equals to L upon R. Theta is pi by 3, L unknown, and R is 20. It means L is equals to 20 pi upon 3. And this is the answer, or this is the way to do the solution. Now in question number 4th, we have two circles in which we have the same arc length. It means let us suppose this is the first circle, this is the second circle, arc length same. Let us suppose their radius be R1 and R2, and here the theta 1 is given 60 degree. 60 degree means pi upon 3 radian, and theta 2 we will have 75. It means this become 180, and we had this is degrees given. It means this is pi upon 180, and this is radian. It means theta 2 is equals to 5 pi upon 36, because this is, sorry, this become 5 pi upon 5 3 15, 36, same thing. So once you will divide this thing, this is also coming 25, because 5 1 5, this is 50. Now you can write down this is 5 pi upon 12. This is the theta 2. Now we have to find out the ratio of their radii. Now you will say, because theta is equals to L upon R, therefore theta 1 upon theta 2 is equals to R1 upon R2. It implies that R1 upon, sorry, on the basis of this thing, we will get theta 1 upon theta 2 is equals to, theta 1 means L upon R1, theta 2 means L upon R2. It means this become R2 upon R1. Now put the values. What is the R2? Unknown. So you can start from here. Therefore R2 upon R1, substitute the value of theta 1. This is pi upon 3, and this is 5 and this is pi into, this is 5 pi, and this is 12. So now what we will get? This we will get 3 4 ja. It means this is 4 upon 5. Therefore R1 upon R2 ratio is 5 by 4, and this is the answer. Now the next question, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. So in 60 seconds, number of revolutions is equals to 360. It means in 1 second, number of revolutions is equals to, what is this, 6, because we have to find out through how many radians does it turn in 1 second. So first of all, we will get the number of revolutions in 1 second. Now in this is 1 revolution, in one revolution, angle at the center will be, what will be this thing? Because one revolution अगर एक wheel complete कर रहा है तो angle at the center is 2 pi. We have how many revolutions in 1 second? 6. So in 6 revolutions, angle at the center is, what is this? 12 pi. So we can say that 12 radians it will turn in 1 second. And this is the way. Now you have to do the practice to do other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.